आता आपण डिस्कस करूया इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ phenol. Okay, so what is electrophilic substitution reactions in case of the aromatic compound? So electrophile is the positive charge species or electron deficient species, right, which will attack on the aromatic ring. Now this aromatic ring is rich in electron which has pi electron cloud, so electrophile can easily attack on it. But what is the role of here functional group? For example, in case of the phenol, what is the role of this OH group? Now this OH group is activating group. So there are two different types of the groups. One is activating or deactivating group, right? So here activating group will activate the benzene ring by giving electrons or donating electrons at ortho and para position. So electron density will be increased on ortho and para position. So electrophilic substitutions mostly takes place on ortho and para positions in case of the activating group. So here phenol, so OH group is activating group, so phenol gives ortho and para product. Okay, so let's see here. Come on, we will see first bromination. First we will discuss here bromination of phenol. Bromination of phenol, right? So in this reaction we will discuss two different types of the bromination. So first is here bromination of phenol by bromine water, okay. So here bromination of phenol by bromine water, or we can say bromination of phenol by using bromine in polar solvents such as water, okay. So here you can see this is phenol, right? So here is phenol. Now this phenol reacts with the bromine in presence of here water. In this reaction solvent plays very important role. या reactions मध्ये solvent हा खूप महत्वाचा रोल प्ले करता है. So in water what happens? The phenol gets ionized. Phenol gets ionized. We can see here if we take phenol and water, so this phenol will ionize to phenoxide ion. Phenol ionized to what? Phenoxide ion, okay, in water, polar solvent, right? So what happened here? This is phenol and this is what? Phenoxide. So what is the difference between the reactivity of phenol and phenoxide? We have discussed in the acidic character of the phenol. So here phenoxide is strong ortho-para directing as compared to what? Phenol. Okay, I will repeat this. See, phenoxide is strong ortho-para directing as compared to what? Phenol. Okay, so what happened here? Phenol gets ionized in presence of water and you will get phenoxide. Now this phenoxide ion is strongly ortho-para directing. So this substitution takes place at these three positions: ortho, two ortho and one para positions. Okay, so here is hydrogen. At these positions you will find hydrogens. Okay, you will find here hydrogens. Now these three hydrogens are replaced by bromine. These three hydrogens are replaced by bromine. So you will get here tribromo derivative. Look at here, these hydrogens are replaced by bromine. Okay, these three hydrogen combines with the bromine, you will get here 3HBr. Okay, so what is the name of this compound? This is 2,4,6 tribromophenol. हे बघा असं नंबरिंग करायचं आपल्याला. Phenol is parent compound. Here bromine is substituent. Bromines are substituent, right? So here 2,4,6 tribromophenol. 2,4,6 tribromophenol. right? So when phenol reacts with the bromine in water, you will get 2,4,6 tribromophenol, which has white precipitate. As to as a white precipitate असतो. Now you can balance the reaction. Total number of bromine. How many bromines are present on right hand side? 3 plus 3. There are 6. So you can balance here by multiplying 3. Okay. So when phenol reacts with this bromine water, you will get 2,4,6 tribromophenol, which is white precipitate. Okay. Now we will see bromination of phenol in organic solvent. तर चला मित्रांनो आपण बघूया ब्रोमिनेशन ऑफ फिनॉल इन ऑर्गेनिक solvent such as CS2, that is carbon disulfide, chloroform CaCl3, or CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so organic solvents are non-polar solvents. Organic solvents are what? Non-polar solvents. Okay, so in non-polar solvents, phenol will not ionize to phenoxide ion, right? फिनॉल हा आयनाइज होणार नाही कशामध्ये? फिनॉक्साइड आयन मध्ये. म्हणजे फिनॉल विल रिमेन ऍज अ फिनॉल. ओके, OH ग्रुप विल नॉट आयोनाइज. ओके, त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला एक गोष्ट इथे समजून घ्यायची आहे की फिनॉल हा ऑर्थोपॅरा डिरेक्टिंग आहे, पण तो वीक ऑर्थोपॅरा डिरेक्टिंग आहे ऍज कम्पेअर टू व्हॉट? फिनॉक्साइड आयन. ओके, तर आता इथे बघा काय होणार. हियर फिनॉल रिएक्ट्स विथ दी bromine in presence of this either CS2 or CaCl3 or CCl4. These are non-polar solvents. यांच्यापैकी कुठले एक यूज करा. And here you are using low temperature, or you can write here 273 Kelvin. So what happened? OH group is orthopara directing. OH group is orthopara directing. So substitution takes place at ortho as well as para positions. But here, due to presence of non-polar solvents, so monobromination is possible. Okay, bromine water मध्ये ट्रायब्रोमिनेशन झालं होतं because phenoxide is strong orthopara directing. इथे तसं नाही होणार. monobromination, only one hydrogen atom from ortho and para is replaced by bromine. Okay, one hydrogen from ortho and one hydrogen from para. But at a time, only one hydrogen could be replaced by bromine. So you will get two different products. See here. Here we will get orthobromophenol. Okay. So this is what? Orthobromophenol. Right? बघा इथे काय झालंय. इथला एक हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस झालाय. कशाने रिप्लेस झालाय? ब्रोमिनने रिप्लेस झालेले आहे. ठीक आहे, तर तुम्हाला इथे ऑर्थोब्रोमोफिनॉल मिळाला. आणि सेकंड काय असणार आहे? सी, दिस इज फिनॉल. अँड हियर व्हॉट हॅपन? फ्रॉम पॅरा पोझिशन. ओके, पॅरा पोझिशन वन हायड्रोजन कुड बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय दिस ब्रोमीन. सो यू विल गेट हियर पॅराब्रोमोफिनॉल. Byproduct is HBr. Okay, so this is para-bromophenol. Okay, now which product is major product? Okay, and which is minor one? So here para-bromophenol is major product. This is minor product. Ortho product is minor product. Okay, बघा इथे रिएक्शन पण आपण बॅलन्स करून घेऊ. Total number of benzene rings are 2 here. Total number of bromines are 4. So we can multiply here by 2. So I am going to repeat these reactions. You can see here this phenol reacts with the bromine in organic solvent at low temperature such as 273 Kelvin. What happened here? OH group is orthopara directing, but not strongly orthopara director as compared to what? Phenoxide ion. Okay, so substitution takes place at ortho and para positions, right? But here monobromination takes place, monobrominations. Okay, so here orthobromophenol and another is what, para-bromophenol. Okay, so para product is always major product. Okay, so there is also exceptions. See, intramolecular hydrogen bonding is not possible between OH group, means phenolic group, and bromine. Okay, so there is no possibility of intramolecular hydrogen bonding. That's why here para product is major product. ओके, म्हणजे इथे जो फॅक्टर आपल्याला यूज करायचे दॅट इज फॉर स्टेरिक हिंडरन्स. जेव्हा इलेक्ट्रोफाईल Br+ अटॅक करणार ऑर्थोवरती तर त्याला स्टेरिक हिंडरन्स इथे फेस करावं लागेल. OH ग्रुप त्याला इथे अटॅच नाही होऊ देणार लवकर. आणि पॅरा पोझिशनला काय आहे, कंप्लीट साइट एम्प्टी आहे, तिथे कुठलाच ग्रुप असा रेजिस्ट नाही करणार इलेक्ट्रोफाईलला, इनकमिंग इलेक्ट्रोफाईलला, राईट. तर इथे स्टेरिक हिंडरन्स जवळपास नाहीच आहे, ठीक आहे, असं म्हणायला काही हरकत नाही. तर इथे लवकर सबस्टिट्यूशन होणार. ओके, आणि इथे उशिरा सबस्टिट्यूशन होणार. सबस्टिट्यूशन ॲट ऑर्थो पोझिशन इज डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज ऑफ स्टेरिक हिंडरन्स. ओके, दॅट्स वाय ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट इज मायनर प्रोडक्ट अँड दिस इज व्हॉट मेजर प्रोडक्ट. त्याला एक्सेप्शन्स काय, जर समजा इथे असा ग्रुप आला की ज्याच्यामध्ये OH ग्रुपमध्ये आणि त्या ग्रुपमध्ये हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग पॉसिबल होत आहे, त्याला इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग असं म्हणतो. जवळ असल्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग पॉसिबल होणार, तर त्या ठिकाणी ऑर्थो प्रोडक्ट हा मेजर प्रोडक्ट असतो. पुढे मी तुम्हाला सांगेलच नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन्स मध्ये. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हॉट द ब्रोमिनेशन ऑफ फिनॉल. ओके.